Hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. So in this short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can disable WordPress Gutenberg editor. So let me share with you what is the Gutenberg editor that we are going to deactivate. So when you are using the latest version of WordPress and when you go to add new post or add a new page, you will see the editor appearing like this. So this is the newer version of the editor, which is called the Gutenberg editor, created by WordPress. So a lot of WordPress users or previously who are using WordPress may not be familiar with this type of editor because this is a block-based editor where you can insert various blocks into the page content. So if you do not like or you are not familiar and you do not know how to use this type of editor, we can deactivate that. So let's go to plugin page. We're going to install a plugin. So go to plugins, add new plugin, and let's search for a plugin called Classic Editor. So this Classic Editor is the previously old editor that's being replaced by the Gutenberg editor. So you can see that this is the plugin we are going to install and it has more than 5 million installations. So just click on install now. After it has been installed, just click activate. So once the plugin has been activated, now we go to post, add new post. You can see that the classic editor has a return. So now you can just type in the content here as you want. You can do the necessary formatting using the traditional option over here. And you can add images, pictures using this add media. So that's how you disable the Gutenberg editor in your theme if your WordPress theme is using the latest version of the editor. Okay, so I hope that you find this video useful. If you have any questions, just feel free to post in the questions below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.